I'm going to be making a berry smoothie made with frozen raspberries, some banana, some porridge oats because the oatmeal actually acts as a bit of a thickener in there, and then the main ingredient is some milk. The milk just adds a lot of calcium to this, and it really brings out the flavour of the raspberries and the fruit. So really simply, we're just going to put them all into the blender, blend them all up to make a delicious, vibrant smoothie. Start by putting in the liquid first, because that way the frozen fruit will not get stuck in the blender. So we'll put in the milk here. This is about 300 mils of milk. Then we have about 80 grams of frozen raspberries. They're going to go in there. And then 1 banana. Even if you don't like banana, it actually adds a bit of a nice creamy texture to the drink anyway. And if you wanted to reduce it to half a banana, that would be just fine. I'm going to add the porridge oats in and put the lid on and just whiz it up now until it's nice and smooth and all the berry seeds have all been chopped up. So before you serve it, just have a little taste of it, just to make sure that it is sweet enough for you. It should be good because the bananas and the raspberries have a lot of natural sugar in. Oh, that's really nice. So, and it's beautiful bright pink colour and full of healthy goodness.